All right, y'all. Can you see my whole head here? I don't know. All right, anyway. So in this video, I just kind of want to talk about, I finally came up with a design for my clutches, and I am going to be offering this on my website. But yeah, this is the natural Buterro from Rocky Mountain, Italian leather. And we'll go to the table and I'll talk about this design a little bit and why I came up with this design and how I did it. I'll be really honest with you guys. It has to do with this guy over here. But we'll go ahead and change cameras, and I'll show you a couple of new features, a couple new items, also these wallets. We'll take a closer look at these little wallets and this clutch stuff that's going to be hitting the website soon, probably in the new year. Anyway, let's change camera angles. This is dumb. A couple of things are going to be hitting the website soon. Is going to be this clutch and these little wallets in a bunch of different colors. But let's talk about this clutch real quick. So you can see that this uses the locks system, and I think I want to stick with that design, but they also have two other designs. I don't know if I should offer. Should I offer these other designs? Should I offer that as an option? I don't know. Let me know. So anyway, about this design right here. I could usually make this piece one whole piece, but if I do that, it's not going to allow me to use the clicker versus breaking this up like this. So this is, the flap is one separate piece and the main body is a separate piece. And what that allows me to do is to actually use my clicker, so I can create a die for this bag, which will help reduce the price of the bag because I don't have to cut. So yeah, and another side effect of that, is that this kind of looks kind of like a Sofield briefcase or a tote bag. It has the same kind of spine here that I typically do with my briefcases and stuff. So I don't know, kind of my design. I added this little piece here simply for to hold this flap to the main body. Gives a little more access, a little more meat on grabbing it. I do glue it, but instead of stitching it, I have the rivets here for the D-rings, these rivets here, these rivets, and it's glued, so it ain't coming out. Plus, it's seconds as a way to hold this keychain. This is called the fish hook keychain. It's gonna come with the bag as well. This alone is like $5, but it's gonna come with the bag. Main flap. I like it straight. My wife likes it like that. I've asked a bunch of women, they prefer the straight flap in the back versus a scallop like this. I like the scallop here because it allows it to open up without it baconing too much. You know, that bacon effect. There's a bee in here and I'm freaking out. So yeah, real simple design. It's just open inside and a flap in the back. And yep, this chain is a 36-inch solid brass chain. And yeah, so that's that design. Now this is gonna come in, I'm starting to use the Buterro from Rocky Mountain, and they have every single color. I'm gonna stock every single color. So if you look at their website, Rocky Mountain, look at the Buterro, they have these crazy beautiful colors: blues, chestnuts, rose, white, red, chestnut. They have a lot of really nice colors. This is their natural with white stitching. So what I'm thinking of doing, I am rambling big time. What I'm thinking of doing is make this customizable where you can select the color, obviously, and the stitch color, and maybe even the locking mechanism too. Yeah, fully customizable, still coming up with a price, but I think it'll be somewhere around, I don't know, 150 to 200 or something like that. I have to figure it out exactly how long it's gonna take me. And yeah, I love this design. My wife loves it. She has like 4 different versions of this bag, and I think this is a final design. So, yep, that's that. Just if you're curious, this is a 12 by 8. 12 by 8. All right, let's look at the other items that I'm going to offer, and that is these wallets. This is a minimalist card wallet. I used to sell them before, but I didn't sell many, but now a lot of people are asking for them. So I'm going to go ahead and put them on the website as well. They come with a money clip, and this is stainless steel. You can get it in the brush silver or the champagne color. I don't have one on me right now, but yep, this is all a Buterro leather. So the same thing, this is gonna come in every single color they offer in Buterro, and whatever color stitch you want that I have, and Ritza tiger thread. So this is the whiskey, absolutely beautiful with the cigar, Havana cigar, with the Havana cigar Ritza tiger thread, and this is just black. So I used this for about a month. I made myself one, and I love the way it feels. That's another reason why I like Buterro, especially Rocky Mountain, because when they split this, let's change cameras and talk. All right, hold on. All right. So yeah, so that's why I like the Buterro from Rocky Mountain, because they can split it really tight tolerance. I mean, half an ounce. You know, they can go from 4 to 4.5, or from 4.5 to 5, and they're pretty accurate. So that's perfect for what I want to do. Anyway, that's all I got for you. It's another excuse to make a video.